Welcome to the ICAO series on non-CO2 aviation emissions. To promote the reduction in CO2 emissions from international aviation, the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, follows a comprehensive approach relying on a basket of measures which includes technology, operational improvements, sustainable aviation fuels, and market-based measures. When we talk about mitigating non-CO2 aviation emissions, what is possible? How can technology-related measures be used to mitigate non-CO2 emissions? Technological improvements in aircraft design can increase fuel efficiency, considering trade-offs while reducing emissions. Innovations in engine technologies can also potentially reduce NVPM and NOx emissions. How could operational measures mitigate non-CO2 emissions? Optimizing air traffic management can reduce fuel consumption. Operations can help avoid contrail formation by steering aircraft away from ice supersaturated regions. However, predicting these regions and the formation of persistent contrails remains a challenge. Tactical operational changes can also present challenges for pilots and air traffic management systems. How could fuel-related measures be used to mitigate non-CO2 emissions? Aviation fuels contain sulfur and aromatics. Reducing aromatics can help mitigate non-CO2 aviation emissions, in particular by reducing non-volatile particulate matter emissions that can lead to contrail formation. The development of sustainable aviation fuels, which contain lower aromatic and sulfur content, could be key and needs to be further explored. The impact of jet fuel chemical components on NVPM formation remains poorly quantified. What about hydrogen? Hydrogen could hold potential as it reduces NOx emissions, NVPM and sulfur, but increases water vapor. This trade-off requires further research to fully understand its implications. While there are several measures available to mitigate non-CO2 aviation emissions, it is essential to fully understand their impacts to avoid increasing CO2 emissions while addressing non-CO2 issues. Continued scientific research and cross-sectoral partnerships will be vital in enhancing our knowledge of non-CO2 emissions and their climate impact in the years to come.